Good afternoon, this is Rahul from Lone Star Consulting, and today I am at Rutgers University located in the beautiful town of New Brunswick, New Jersey. The university is renowned among the Desi community as Desi University. You can see that it has 160 graduate programs and it has 39,000 students from 100 plus countries, and it has 14 schools and colleges, and across the view we can see there are stadiums and lots of places for students to learn, recreational stadium sports, all such activities. It is perhaps one of the oldest colonial college in United States, and it is the State University of New Jersey, Rutgers University. It is also known as Desi University, and it has lots of engineering courses, PhD graduate for international students. And more for information, let's look forward to talk more. It's quite windy out here in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Look forward to talk more in our face-to-face conversations located in the city of state of New Jersey that has lots of Desi community. Lot of exposure you will get with friends, family, a lot of home feeling you will have here, because lot of good percentage is Indian population. It has large number of international students, and the best of is that this university has 100 bachelor's, 100 master's and 80 doctorate programs that offers thousands of opportunities and admissions for in-city, out-of-state and international students at Rutgers University. So you will definitely have a good chance to get admission into Rutgers, as it has 175 departments across 16 to 20 schools that offer graduate programs, and around $500 million in its financial scholarship and research assistantships. So please, it's a good place to be, both strategically and for education purpose, and there is a good prospect of getting into Rutgers if you have a good GRE score of around 80-90, and a good TOEFL of course is important, and a good GPA with good letter of recommendation and statement of purpose. Look forward to talk more on Rutgers University face to face. Till then, good. You can see that the university has lot of recreational and sports activities for domestic and international students. It has on the back side you can see the High Point Solution Stadium, that's one of the largest in New Jersey. And the university has around a lot of areas, lot of large big campus it has, and it has 700 student organization that has a lot of social, cultural and activities, and it's a very safe university located in a very large campus, and it fit for international students who look for safety, good economic package, because it's a state university, so fees and tuition fees are quite comfortable as compared to private, and it has good scope for placement and job opportunities. Plus it offers a lot of areas of study in graduate, postgraduate, undergraduate programs. More on Rutgers University face to face. Till then, thanks, good luck, have a good day.